Sunil ji, did you tell Ramachandran ji about that you are coming here? He was asking me yesterday. It should be that's protocol. Okay. Yeah, we'll start now. Video on. Yes. Om Vakratandamahakaya Suryakoటి Samapprabha Nirvighnan Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhir Me Sada Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha Guru Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. That board also can be brought in. So, others can say. He, who, So when you pronounce Mahaprana, you show the difference between the Alpa Prana and Mahaprana. Ka, ka, say ka, ga, ga. And the nasal is na, na. Because this is the right time to straighten out our pronunciations. Since we are learning chanting also, and further we are going to build upon this. Right time to correct our pronunciation. That is why I gave in the beginning itself the exposure to the Ucharana Sthan, from where the sound comes. So now you know it. And that knowledge will be very helpful later when we do further studies. And moreover, now when you pronounce, you can just observe from where the sound comes and show the difference between Alpa Prana and Mahaprana. And if it is nasal, nose is there. Na, ya, na, ma. And ya, ra, la, va. This is va. Va, no. Va. We don't say va like that. Va. Va. Sha. Sha. If it's sha, the tongue is touching the palate. Sha. Sha. Shashti. Shanmukha. Right? Rishi. That's sha. Sa. Dental. Sa. Then ha. That's important. Ha and a. Right? Okay. Then conjunct consonant, we know what it is. Consonant followed by one or more consonants. So they are called conjunct consonant. So we will see now further on this. The last class we saw some examples. Now we will see some more examples. What is this letter? Da. Now? What is that? What is its Ucharana Sthanam?
Cerebral.
Ucharana sthanam.
Cerebral.
What is that? Cerebral. Alpa prana?
Mahaprana.
Mahaprana. Dha. Dha. Da plus, what is this? Va. Va is the combination of two letters. What are they?
Vakara.
Vakara plus. So then he asks, what is the last letter here? What should be the answer? Remember, A should be the answer. So which is the first consonant? And last consonant? Last consonant is the Vakara. Why it is called last? Because followed by vowel. Therefore, we'll call it as last consonant. And this is the first consonant. Because only two consonants are the first and the last. Now, is there any vertical stroke here?
No.
We can remove? No. Is it not a conjunct one now? Dakara plus va? Dakara plus va? Dakara followed by Vakara immediately. No vowel in between. So therefore, it's a conjunct combination. Right. So, and no vertical stroke is there. You can't remove. Therefore, what to do? What you have to do is, the first consonant you write as it is, then you can write the following consonant, that is last one like this. So the sound is dwa. What is that?
Dwa.
Dwa. Dwa. Dwa. That is why I didn't write here, because we are going to write the full consonant. I mean, the consonant as it is at the top. And remember, the consonant at the bottom it's the last consonant. It means the consonant with the vowel. So when I say last consonant, you understand it is the consonant with the vowel. That will be at the bottom. At the top, only the first consonant you will write. Okay. So when you read, which one will come first? First consonant. Dakara will come first. Therefore, dva. Not vad. Okay. Okay, let us say how it will be, vad will be. Vakara plus dhakara. Here, which is the last consonant? First consonant. How do you write this? In Vakara, vertical stroke is there, you can remove. Right? And dha is there. Dha, simply you can write like this. Right? You can write like this. The dha is shown here. It is as though that stroke is there, you are writing like this and putting a Vakara here. Right? Or you can write like this also. This is va and da. It's okay. Yes.
Which is there just a hard and fast rule we can stick to?
There is no hard and fast rule. Anyway, you can write. No problem. Suppose if it is Vakara plus D, this E. Instead of now A, replacing the vowel A by Vakara by Ikara. D. So write like this. Okay. So we will see a lot of combinations, yes.
Which one is the most common one in texts?
You will find like this.
Okay.
When I write, I will write like this.
Okay.
When I take notes, I will write like that. It's okay, both are okay. No problem. Yes.
How can I say, how can I know the first one is not like ta?
First one is not like
Ta.
ta.
Yes.
Okay. First one, if it is tha, right? Okay. Depending on the context, and if you know the word it is, then you can say whether it's ta or not. That is the only way. It's good. That, see, takara, suppose ta is takara plus dha is this is also will be written like this. Takara is takara is the first one, right? So ta and da follows. You can write like this. Or this is how it is written. There is no or, only one. This is the form.
What about ta and va?
Sorry?
What if you have ta and then va?
Takara plus va. Okay.
No, ta,
Which one? Ta.
ta, mahaprana, and va.
Takara plus va. Right? Okay. Takara is there. Takara is right like this. And va will be like this. Somewhat look like this. Or you can write takara as it is and va. See, takara, okay, they're not like this, sorry. Takara being, sorry, the first consonant, I didn't see that. First consonant, so takara as it is, and va at the bottom, twa. Twa. What is this? This is twa. This is how it should be written. Takara at the top and va at the bottom. Here there is no vertical stroke in takara, so you cannot remove that. Right? Takara plus va. There some word is there.
It pronounces twa,
Twa.
not twa.
This is twa. Twa.
Yeah.
And this is dwa.
But why is twa?
Va is there. Dwa. Dwa.
The sound is twa, not twa.
Wa. Dwa. It must be dwa. Because of the dakara also maybe dwa, not dwa, not u. Dwa. Twa. Okay, the next one. Next one, this combination. This we saw in the evening class, day before yesterday. Takara plus ra. And it's a combination of repa plus a, right? So what is the last letter? A. The last letter is a vowel a. And the last consonant is repa. So remember this. Takara followed by repa, or any consonant followed by repa. If repa is the last consonant, if it is the last consonant, then what you have to do is, you write the first consonant as it is. And the consonant repa, it is represented by the stroke. Right? So when you see the stroke here, understand it is repa. Repa plus whatever may be the vowel. Here the vowel is a. Therefore it is ra. Suppose if the vowel is e, say takara plus, if it is re, here it is a combination of repa plus e, right? Short e. So here you write the first consonant as it is, and the repa is represented by this stroke, but the vowel is e, and e is like this. What is this? Three. What is that? Three. This is tra. The tra can be written like this also. This is how you will find in books. Tra. And three also the same. Tra and e becomes three. What is that? Three. If it is u, true. You write tra and u. So now you have to remember this form. What is this? Tra. Remember, what is that? Tra. Combination of takara plus repa. And this is repa. This is what is called the repa. Repa with the vowel a. Right? Yeah. There is no E. This is not the right transliteration. K-R-P-A, not K-R-I-P-A. This is wrong, okay? It's clear? Yeah.
In ta and ta, how do you show the repa?
Which one?
In the cerebral.
Here. We'll come to that. Yeah. So you understand now? If repa is the last consonant, it is represented by this stroke, tra. And for this particular combination, takara plus ra, we have got a particular form is there. So now this is one more form you have to remember. So 33 consonants form you know, so one more. So like that 2 or 3 may be coming, you have to remember it. Okay. Now the next one. So let us do different combinations. So takara plus ra, I wrote, that is tra. Vakara plus ra, first you write the first consonant, va. and repa is represented by this two, bra. And if it is gakara plus ra, first you write ga and repa represented by this two, gra. Makara plus ra, repa, makara plus ra is bra. Pakara plus ra, pra. So, when you see this two, remember it is ra, pra. So, tra, vra, gra, mra, pra. And this, I'm writing dakara, tha, tha, da. That is dental class, third letter, dakara plus ra. This written like this, da, this is ra. What is the dakara plus ra? I think I will write here. Dakara plus ra. Da as it is and ra is like this. Dra. Okay. So if I give any consonant, you would be able to write. Yes? Yes or no? Yes. Let us take sakara. Sakara plus ra. How do you write? What is the sound? Sakara plus ra? Sra. What is that? Sra. Sakara plus ra written like this. Sra. What is that? Sra. And what is this? What shakara? Shankara shakara, Talagi shakara, right? Shakara plus. Is it a conjunct? Is it a conjunct combination? Yes or no?
No.
Why? Shakara followed by the vowel. So it's not a conjunct, okay? In between, just to confuse you. Stani, Nikanan Nyaya. Now, how do you write the shakara in such cases? We saw that. Remember? Huh?
The vertical line will go.
How to write? Like this?
Other way.
Right, come on. They're showing like this. Like this. How is it? Yeah, that's. So this shakara do only have written, but you are adding extra thing. It's not shuru at all. This is also okay. 1 minute. What is this? What is that? No, this is not correct actually. This should not come. This is shakara and r will be at the bottom. This is shru. It's good. It's good that you marked it because I am going to talk about it now. What is that? Shru. Shru. This is not conjunct, okay? This is not conjunct. Now, shakara plus ra. Now how do you write? Shakara plus repa plus a. Is it a conjunct or not? Yes or no? Yes. Why? Because shakara followed by another consonant repa. This is not conjunct, remember. And here in this shakara is written like this. Shown like this, okay? And now how do you write this? See, shakara is written and repa is shra. This is shra. This is what you wrote. That is shra. This is shru. Shru and shra. What is that? Shru and shra. Difference is there. There is a difference. This is shra and this is shru. Now, you read this.
Ashra.
Ashrama. This is the shra here. Shakara plus repa. Now, what is this? What is that? Again? Again? Read now. This is what Swamiji says, Shravanam, Shravanam. That is Shra here. Shravanam, listening. Yes, Sagati.
We have to write Sha, then upper R.
Huh?
R.
We'll come to the later.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, it is there.
Okay.
One more board is there, right?
Okay. Thanks.
I don't want to erase this, so you can see the. Okay, what is that? Now you know. So, what are the different forms you have to remember now? Tra, one form you have to remember, right? Tra you have to remember, and this is another one. Shra you have to remember. These are the different forms, and the sound also you have to remember. Tra, Shra, right? Now, and this we saw that day. What is this? Kara plus Ra. How do you write? You write Ha as it is, and the Repa is denoted by this sign. Hra. What is that? Hra. Hra. Hrasvaha, we saw, short. Rasvasvaraha, short vowels. Clear? Now, what is this? And this is? How to write this? Okay. We'll come to this now. Now this, yeah, that's what I wrote. I wrote correctly only, yeah. Repa plus Ra. How to write this now? We'll come to that. Let it be like that. Now, Takara plus Ra is what? Tra. Now, Repa plus Ta. This is Ta, okay? Repa plus Ta. Are they same or not?
No.
Takara plus Ra is equal to Repa plus Ta. Yes or no?
No.
A plus B is not equal to B plus A. So it's important what follows, right? So, in this case, what you wrote is, you wrote Takara as it is, and Repa is represented by the time. Now here, what you have to do is, you have to write the last consonant as it is, and the Repa will be seated at the top. Okay. How to pronounce that? We'll come to that later.
Prata.
When you write a word, the word you will be able to pronounce. A Repa will be pronounced along with the preceding vowel. For example, you all know this. What is that? Huh? Aya, not ya. I write aya like this, ya like this, okay? What is that? Now read. Again? Ar. Now Repa can be pronounced. Ar, because the preceding letter is the vowel. A. Artha. What is that? Now you read this word. Read. Ha? Puru. Purushaha. Man. Then? Read up. Purushartaha. Read now. What is that? Dharma. Right? Purushartaha. So this is how you have to read. Dharma. Purushartaha. Right? When you read, you have to read like this. Dharma Purushartaha. Dharma Purushartaha. Moksha Purushartaha. Kama Purushartaha. Right? Clear? So now you know. Now, how to write this now? Repa plus Ra. You write the last consonant as it is and Repa at the top. Right? The same way, Repa plus Pa. How to write? Repa plus Pa. Now, you read this word. What is that? Sarpaha, snake. You read this. Darpanaha. Darpanaha, mirror. Darpanaha, mirror. Now, Repa plus Ma. Written like this. Repa plus, let us take Ta. Right, Ta and Repa at the top. Okay. Repa plus Shakara. Repa plus Murdhanya Shakara. Now, you read this. Arsha. What is that? This is often mispronounced. Arsha. Arsha Vidya Gurukulam. Right? What is that? Arsha Vidya. Arsha. This is Arsha. Rishehe idam. Arsham. Clear? Okay. You see different combinations one by one. The next one. Makara plus Va. Makara plus Va. How is it written? Simple.
Isn't that Bakara?
Sorry?
Isn't that Bakara?
Oh, it is Bakara, is that? Makara plus Ba. It should be Ba. Okay. It should be Ba. Makara plus Ba. Makara is half Makara and Ba you write. Now, read this. Amba. What is that? Amba, you read somewhere, right? Where is that? Ambatvam anusandadami bhagavad gite bhavatveshini. Hey Ambe, oh mother, Amba. Next one. Chakara plus Cha. Simple. Chakara plus Cha. The first one. Chakara, vertical stroke is removed. So now, Cha. Read this. Sakara, not Sa. Now, Swachha Bharatam. Clean India. Modi's vision, okay? Swachha Bharatam. What is that? In Hindi we say Swachh Bharata. Swachha. Samskritam Swachha Bharatam. Right? Swachha Bharatam. So you have to say it properly. Swachha Bharatam. Swachha Bharatam. Swachha Bharatam. Not Swachha. Swachha Bharatam. Now the answers. Oh, next one is Nakara plus Ha. This we will see later. You remind me. Okay. This combination we will see. Not this one. Okay. Nakara plus. This we will see now. Another one will come. That we will see later. This is simple. Nakara plus Ha. Nakara is that you write as it is. Ha is like this. The reverse. Hakara plus Na. That I will tell later. Okay. Nakara plus Na. Even if it comes, I will tell later. Now the answers. Nakara plus Va, Dva, and Nakara plus Ha, Dha, and Takara plus Ra, Tra, Makara plus Ba, Ba, Chakara plus Cha, Cha. Right? Any doubts? Anybody? Yes. Again, what is it? The dental dakara. Can you write on the board?
He's talking about the
Dvation.
dwa, how can we write?
Okay, dwa. Okay. Dakara plus va. This is written like this, dva. Right? Here there is no gap. Dva. It comes as it is. Dva. It looks same but not same. Dva. This is dakara and dva. Dva, dva. Here you will see something like that. Or you will be able to distinguish what it is when you know the word. For example, this you know. What is this?
Dva.
Dva. Right now? Dvandva. What is that?
Dvandva.
Somebody told this? Dvandva. Dvandva means pairs of opposites. Sukha, dukkha. Right? Mana, apamana. Labha, alabha. So this is dva. Yeah, it's the right question. How to distinguish? When you know the word, you know what it is. I will never read as a dandva. I know it is dvandva. Okay. See, some similarity will be there, but we know the word in the context we know, so we read it. It's a good question, yes. It looks same. Actually, in fact, see, there is a difference. It's not the difference, it's not there. Dakara and va is written like this, dva. Whereas here, that this stroke is there, right? That is extended and va is written. That is one thing. Here it is not that it comes here like this. No. This is like this. This is da, one round. Then you put va. It's a very minute thing to note. Okay. In printing, how do you see that? It's all small letters, so it's difficult to observe. But if at all the difference is there, this is the difference. Right? Okay. Then, any doubts further? Yes, Sagati.
Below the, there is one more line, 3.
Huh?
Half 3. I mean, opposite 3.
Opposite 3.
3. Yeah.
Okay.
To
The
the-
mirror image of 3. Okay.
For the, there will be a side, right side, there will be 3. Opposite 3. Shall I show you?
Yeah. That we'll see. Yes, it's going to come. Yes. It will come later. We are going to see that. Yes. All Dakara related will come. This difference you understand, right? So there is a difference. Okay. Now the next one. Okay, you'll get some idea how to write now. Shakara plus Ra, Visada, right? Shakara plus Ra. Shakara plus Ya. Shakara plus Ra, we have seen. Shra. Still I am writing. Shakara plus Ra is what? It's okay. Shakara plus Ra is Shra. Shakara plus Ri.
Shri.
Shakara plus Ri is Shri, right? Got it? Shakara plus Ri is Shri. Shrimad Bhagavad Gita. Yes.
Can you just explain why it looks like that one more time, the shira? Because to me it doesn't match, like on the top right corner where we've got,
Well, this one?
yeah, on the top right corner. So that to me doesn't match what's happening there.
So I don't know, with the Shakara in combination it gets a form like that. Only that letter Shakara gets a form. That's how you find in the printing. See, Shakara plus R, this one. When I explain this, I explain the time. This is in the book, it is, you will find like this. But it is okay to write like this also. No problem. Sure. But in printing you will find this form. So Shakara in combination you will find like this. Right? And in conjunct consonant, this is the form Shakara takes. Shakara plus Shri.
Also, Shikara always takes that form.
Sorry?
Shikara always takes that form in a conjunct consonant.
Shakara takes that form, yes, in conjunct consonant. Shakara plus Ya. Shakara now. Now what happens, Shakara? Here, Shakara plus Ya is there, it is written Shya as it is. Here it doesn't take that form, Shya. Shakara plus Ya, Shya. That is why I given. Shakara plus Ya is Shya. We don't see like this in the Aliyah. No.
Why is that?
Can we say only where Ra is comes? Shri, Shru. Not like that. You cannot say. He said correct. Yeah. For example, this Shakara plus Cha, I will write there itself. Shakara plus Cha. Right? This, you can write like this also, Cha, nothing wrong. Or, you will find in books like this, Cha. You will find like this. This is Shakara. Shakara is written and the last consonant Cha is written like this. Shakara. Right? Cha. Bhishmascha Karnascha. Yes.
I'm confused now of when it takes the second form and when it takes the first form. Sorry.
See, there are no rules. When it takes that form, when it takes this form, there are no rules.
So either way.
So when you get familiar, you know how it is. And now we can identify. When you read, when this form is there, you know it is Shakara. That much is there. That's okay. And this also Shakara, you know. Right? You can identify now Shakara. That is enough. There are no rules. Then, Shakara plus Va. It's simple. Shakara, Murtani Shakara plus Va. Murdanya Shakara plus Va. Done like this. You can write like this, or you can write like this also, Shva. Or you can write full Shakara and Va at the bottom. Anyway you can write, there are so many ways you can write Shva. But I would recommend to write this, follow one, Shakara plus Va. Anyway you can write, but when you read, you have to read it as properly. It is Shakara plus Va, not Ta. Okay. So, now you can write your name. Yes. Murdanya Shakara. Murda, very bright. That was Murdanya Shakara. Now, you read this. Dha. What is that? Now? Now read. Without this is Dhamma. When Repa comes, Dharma. So, the next letter to the vowel A is Repa, not Na. And now you read.
Dharme.
This is Dhar and now Dharme. Dharmesh. Dharmeshwara. What is that? What are the letters here? What is first letter? Takara plus A. Followed by? No. Repa. Followed by Repa plus
Makara plus
Akara plus A. Then
Shakara.
Murdanya Shakara plus Akara plus A plus Repa plus Dakara plus A. Dha. Repa plus Ma. Kara plus A. Dharme, that is Dharme. Then Shakara plus Shva, Repa plus Aha, Shvaha. Sorry, Repa plus Aha, Raha. So Dharmeshwaraha. Right?
Thank you.
So Shakara plus Va. So you write Shakara plus Va like this. Because in the book you will find like that, Shva, not like this. Then the next one, Hakara plus Ya. See, conjunct consonant, there are no any strict rules. You have to write different possibilities and see the form. So now you are getting slowly, oriented to the forming conjunct consonant and trying to read the conjunct consonant when it is the part of the word. Alone you cannot pronounce, it's difficult. Maybe possible some conjunct consonant. But you are getting now the familiarity with the conjunct consonant. Different possibilities are there. So we don't have any, the script number of conjunct consonants. So many possibilities. So when different possibilities come, we have got some possibilities have got particular form. Like Tra I said, Shra I said, we are going to see some more. But different forms will be there. That we have to remember. Now this Akara plus Ya. See, even when I studied, I learned to write in a different way. But when I started reading the book in the form is different. But I could associate, this is the form for this combination. So slowly we learn. That is what we learn. That is why I say when printing it looks like that. Right? Shakara, then you can write like this, no problem. Because Shakara being Shakara, you can write like that, why not? But the printing you see this. How this form came into existence, we don't know. Okay. It was there. Right? So Hakara plus Ya. What is the first consonant? Ha. You write like this. What is the last consonant? What you have to do is this, something like this. Here. Here. What is that? Here. Now, you read this.
Yeah.
Yaha. Yesterday. Yaha means yesterday. See, that is how in English also we have yes, yesterday. The same, here. But H is not there in English. But Y starts with the Y. Yesterday, yaha. And what is this? You can read this. Shvaha, tomorrow. Shvaha, tomorrow. Yaha, yesterday. Okay. So now the answers. Shakara plus Ra, Shra. Shakara plus Ya, Shya. Mudanya Shakara plus Va, Shva. And Hakara plus Ya, Hya. Now seeing a conjunct consonant, you can read. You can, unless the forms are different, you can read. If the forms are different, then we will learn. Right? So now next possibility. Gakara plus Na. Gna. Simple. Gakara plus Na is Na. Gakara plus Na. Gakara written as it is. Then Na is written like this. Na. You can write like this also, nothing wrong. Na. One after the other. Now, can you read this word? What is that? Agnihi. Fire. Agnihi. Then Takara plus Ma. Already this combination we have seen. Takara plus Ma. Takara, you remove the vertical stop, Takara and Ma. Like on the word Atma, Paramatma. Right? Sadatma, yes. Then Then this is important. Important means you will see a different form for this combination. What is that? What's the first letter? Kakara. Followed by ta. Kakara plus ta. You can write this kakara like this. What is this? Ta. What is that? Ta. Now, this particular combination in the book, in printing, you will find like this. See here? You have to note this. This combination in printing, you will find like this. When this combination comes, remember, it is kakara plus ta. Like in the word, you can read this. Raktam. What is that? Raktam. Shaktaha. What is that? Shaktiman. See, when I write, I don't write like this. I write like this only. It's okay. Shaktiman. Right? But in the printing, you will find that. So remember the forms. So one more form we are adding now. 3 different combinations having specific form. Right? Then, don't worry, not many are there. Only a handful. So you can remember. Then takara plus ta, already we saw this. Takara plus ta is first consonant at the top, second consonant we got. One below the other. Now the answers are, one more is there. Kakara plus sa. Kakara plus sa. This is kakara, then sa. Sa. Now the answers are Gakara plus Nagna and Takara plus Sa and Takara plus Ta, whatever it is, Takara plus Ta and Takara plus Ma. Any doubt? We will see different combinations. Now we are going to see in detail. It will come. We will go for some classes. You will see different words. So many, more than 100 words will be there. You will be reading. Okay. So now. Chakara plus cha. This is simple. Chakara plus cha. The first consonant, we can remove the vertical stroke, followed by cha. Then kakara plus ta, like this already we have seen, one below the other. Right? Third one, vakara plus ya. This also we have seen. Vakara plus ya. Vakara plus ya. Vakara and ya. Can you read this word? What is that?
Vyaptam.
Vakara plus ya. Vya. And pakara also is there. Include that also. Vyap. Tam. Vyap. Tam. What is that? What are the letters here? Vakara plus yakara plus a plus pakara plus takara plus a plus makara. So this is vyap. Tam. Together. Tam. This is the vowel is there. Preceded by the consonant, followed by the consonant. Therefore, you can read together. Tam. Similarly here, the vowel A is there in the middle, followed by the consonant, pure consonant, and preceded by also toe pure consonant. Therefore, you can pronounce together. Vyap. What is that? Vyap. And this is tam. So the focus is on the vowel. So vowel, along with that, the preceding and the succeeding consonants are pronounced. Vyap, tam. Right? Clear? Then Shakara plus na. Shakara plus na. Shakara plus na. This also you will see in books like this. Shna. Can be written like this also, nothing wrong. Shna. Can you read this? What is that? See now, a shakara is there. Ash, naka, na and nakara, nan, and the last one ti. First letter is a, followed by shakara, followed by nakara, then a plus nakara plus takara plus e. So now this is ash, nakara, both are preceded by Ashnanti, right? Yeah. Ash, then you can see, you can read this. Nan, and this is T. The vowel, three are there. It becomes Ash, this consonant, along with the preceding vowel A. And this Nakara and this, both the Nakara gets pronounced by, because of this A, and Takara, the last one, Takara plus E becomes T. So Ash, Nan, T. Ashnanti. This is how you have to read. Ash, Nan, and last one is T. Ashnanti. Ashnanti means eat. Eat. Ashnanti. Then next one. Sakara plus na. That is simple. Sna. Sakara plus na is sna. To read this word, simple one. Snanam, snanam, bathing, right? So chakara plus cha is cha, kakara plus ka, kha, vakara plus ya, vya, shakara plus na, shna, and sakara plus na, na, right? Then kakara plus ya, kha plus ya, kya. This is kakara plus ya. You remove the vertical stroke, it becomes then ya. What is this? Kya. Now read this word. What is this? Ah. Akhya. What is that? Akhya. Akhyayika. Akhyayika. Story. Akhyayika means story. Shakara plus sha. That's simple. You can write like this. More than Shakara plus Pakara. Shakara plus pa. Shpa. Shpa. Oh, Pakara plus pa. Okay. Anyway, it's okay. Pakara plus pa. Pakara plus pa. Hakara plus na. You will see that later. Right? We will see that later. Makara plus lai. Makara plus, let us say la. Makara plus la will become la. If it is I, lai, right. Makara plus lai becomes mlai. Can you read this? What is that? Mlayati. Mlayati. Fades. Fading. Mlayati. Mala mlayati. Garland fades. Mala mlayati. That's a verb. We will be saying it's a verbal form. Now kakara plus ya is kya. Then makara plus lai, mlai. Then pakara plus pa, pa. Akara plus na, we will see later. I said, because there is something more to it. I don't want to tell anything about this and confuse you now. So we'll talk about it later.
That sounds about the makara and pa. The U shape is doubled. Is that correct, or is it half?
U shape is not doubled. The first the vertical stroke of the first letter is removed. This is removed.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, I see. So that.
Yes.
I got it.
Then.
What is the sound de hakara?
Huh?
What is the sound de hakara?
Plus?
Na.
We'll see later. No, we will see. Yes. Now the different combinations you can see. Kakara plus ka, ka. Kakara plus ka, ka. Kakara plus e, ki becomes ki. Kakara plus ki. Similarly, kakara plus ku. Kakara plus ku. Different possibilities I'm giving. Kakara plus kru. Kakara plus ke. Kakara plus kai. Kakara plus ko. Kakara plus kau. Kakara plus kam. Kakara plus kaha. And you see kakara plus ka. Possible. You can add as many times you like. If there is a word with that conjunct possibility. Okay? Don't worry about it. They are even for me difficult. The word is there, you can pronounce. Right? The different combinations, just possibilities I'm giving. So you know now how to write. Half. That means you have to remove the vertical stroke. If vertical stroke is there. If not, you write one below the other. Simple. Only the two rules. Vertical stroke is there, remove it. If the first consonant has got vertical stroke, remove that. If doesn't have, write the first consonant at the top and the last consonant at the bottom. Simple. Right? You can write like that. Even if you don't know the special form, you can follow this. Now we are going to, oh, this is important. Okay, this already I have explained. Takara plus ra is tra and repa plus ta is, repa sits at the top of the vowel. Ta is a is there. So the combinations are given here. Already we have seen this. These examples we have seen. Kakara plus ra is kra and repa plus ka, pakara plus ra, pra, repa plus pa and all. Now the last one we have to see. The special form is there. We will see that. Okay. So you please listen here. This is a particular combination. Some people think these are the part of the consonant. No, these are not part of the consonant. See here, what is this letter?
Kakara.
Kakara, remember, kakara is the first consonant, followed by what shakara? Shanmukha shakara or Murdani shakara. What shakara? Murdani shakara. Kakara followed by Murdani shakara, it has got a special form. You don't write like this. No, you don't write like that. So that, the form is, watch here, you have to write it, okay? Okay, you want me to write? Kakara plus shakara gets its form. Shakara plus ka, that doesn't get, that remains as it is, only for this. Because we know A plus B is not equal to B plus A. So while writing this letter, you can see those are difficulty. Right? What is this? How do you pronounce this? Ksha. What is that? Louder? Not sha. 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 Okay. Anybody name? Moksha is important to see. What is this? Ma.
Ma.
Then
Mo.
mokshaha. Say again. It's not mochaha or moshaha or moshaha. Mokshaha. This the sound will be the KSH here. The K will be the K. Mokshaha. What is that? Again? 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 Mokshaha. Now, read this. This is what I told in the beginning. Aksharam. What is that?
Aksharam.
Aksharam. Aksharam. Good. These both the letters are important for Vedanta. Moksha, Ksha is there. And for Jnanam, next letter is there. Both are important. So, you should know this. See, this is Kakara plus Shakara gets this form, Ksha. And whereas Murtri and Shakara plus Ka doesn't become like that. Don't confuse, okay? It becomes Shka only. Both are different. Only this combination we get a special form, not for this. So remember, Kakara is the first consonant. Kakara followed by Shakara only, get this. Okay. Then the next one. The next one. What is this letter? What is that? Jakara. Followed by, what is this? Nya. 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 It is Nya. Nya. Now, you see, the combination will be like this. Nya. 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 What is that? Nya. So, Jakara is the first consonant and Nga is the following consonant. That combination written like this. Nya. Suppose if it is Nyakara is the first consonant and Jakara is the last consonant, how do you write this? Nya is written half and Ja. Here also you see. So Nya is important. Now you can read this. What is this? What is that? Jnanam. Somebody says Jnanam.
Jnanam.
It is Jnanam, not Gnanam and all. Jnanam. What is that? Jnanam. Jnana Yoga. Jnanam. Okay. So now, how many forms so far? Special forms we have seen?
5.
5. So you have to remember these 5 combinations. One is Tra, other one is Shra, then Tra, then Sha and Nya. Right? These are the forms we need to remember. Other forms that you know, remember the vertical stroke if there is, otherwise one below the other. That's a thumb rule. Right? Yeah. Right? Any doubts? The next class will be reading words. Okay, just 2 minutes. Read the word now. Huh? Yeah, 1 minute. Let me just, can you read this? Again? Ku is there, then Kakara, then Ku, then Taha. Only the word, okay, not forget about this equation. Ku, if Kakara is there, Ku is there, Taha is there. Kukkutaha. What is that? Kukkutaha. Kukkuta means cock. Kukkuti, hen. Then next one? Ankuraha. Sprout. Ankuraha. What is that?
Ankuraha.
Meaning what? You leave it. Just read the word now. Can you read the first one?
Ankuraha.
Again? Is it difficult to read? Yes? You see, Kukkutaha. You have to identify the letter by letter. The first one is Ku, Second one, kuk, then ku, kukku, then taha, kukku taha. Similarly, the next one, a is a, then ang, no vertical stroke to remove, followed by another consonant, kuk, anku, ra, ankuraha. Right? So that combinations are given, nakara plus ka, that combination is given here. In this letter, the combination is there, therefore I have given this as an example, ankuraha. Similarly, kakara plus ka, but instead of the vowel a, here u is there, right? Then the next one. Shall I ask to read? Okay, I'll ask the people. Keshavji, read this.
Sachkaha.
Again?
No, Sachkaha.
It's not sa, it's a long one.
Sachkaha.
Again?
Sachkaha.
Sachkaha. It's a long one. Sachkaha. Okay, not Sachkaha. Sachkaha means only the sa will be there, the stroke will not be there. Second one. Shatkaha. Samadhi. Shatka. Sampattihi. Okay, we'll write that. Shamadhi. Shamadhi. Shatka. Sampattihi. You can see. You can read now. What is this? Sha.
Ma.
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 Samadhi.
Samadhi.
Shat.
What is that?
Shat.
Shat. Now.
Shatka.
Shatka. This formation now we saw, just now we saw. Sampa. What is that? And now? Sampat. And now?
Sampatti. Sampattihi.
Shamadhi, Shatka, Sampattihi. Right? Oh. Okay. We'll stop here. Yes, sir. Ramnaiduji. Okay, we will conclude now, then you can ask. Yeah. And because people have to go for serving. It's clear? Right? So next class, I've got Tattvabodha in PPT. We'll try to read. Maybe not immediately, maybe 2 classes after. So you will be reading Tattvabodha. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om. So we will be reading words with conjunct consonant from tomorrow.